Tada!
Nice.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Simulu Alabado. I'm into cars, car modifications, car repairs. I'm starting my YouTube channel with this first project. I'd like you guys to guess the car in the comment section.
How? Hold on, bro. How?
Most of my friends will know what I'm really a fanatic about, so I'm sure they'll be able to guess right. So I'm giving you guys a minute to guess. The purpose of this YouTube channel is buy salvage cars and repair them and put them back on the road, not damaged cars that needs to be parted out, but cars that can still be repaired. I'll show you the process of me fixing the car and doing it myself. I guess you guys made your guesses.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So now I'll be unveiling the car.
This is the BMW C30i, the F30 generation. Under the hood sits a B48 engine with a 2-liter turbocharged inline 4. The engine produces about 48 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. The B48 engine has serious tuning potentials, and with a couple of upgrades, you can squeeze out close to 400 horsepower. That's some serious performance for a 4-cylinder engine.
So there are quite a lot of parts to fix, the backlight is out, the door is bad. This door already late at night. I'll put a link to the video. So the new door works well now. Then for the front, we have to buy a new bumper and headlights, and inside just fix some small things.
If you watched to the end of the video, thanks for watching. Like and comment and subscribe to follow me on this journey.